Hi everyone, my name is Virginia Hermanson and I'm in my third year in the EnvEuro program. I've spent 2 years studying part-time at Copenhagen University in ecosystems and biodiversity, and this year I will be studying water resources at SLU. The reason why I started this program part-time is because I continue to work in the summers for the British Columbia Wildfire Service as a wildland firefighter on a unit crew. So I was one of 20 people on the Flathead unit crew, and we're based out of Cranbrook, British Columbia, so in the southeast of the province, and our job is to respond to the large-scale wildfire incidents within our zone, as well as we can get deployed out of zone to the rest of the province and to the rest of Canada. Other than wildfire, we are involved in lots of fuels management projects, some habitat restoration projects, as well as recreation projects, such as building mountain bike trails with community organizations. This job is a little bit like being on a sports team. You spend a lot of time with the same people, camping with them for work. We do fitness every day. We go through a lot of chainsaw skills projects and different courses. And another big part of our job is trying to understand forest ecosystems and how they're impacted by wildfire. This is mostly specific for our job to be looking at different safety concerns for right after a wildfire has burned through an area, if we're going to be working in it. But I've always been really interested in the more long-term ecological impacts that wildfire has on forests. And this is translated into my thesis topic, which will be looking at prescribed burns that were done for ecological restoration here in Sweden. They were done in open pine forests with some goals such as creating a more diverse age structure in the forest, creating a more open canopy, creating charred deadwood, and promoting regeneration. If you have any questions for me about this job or about my thesis project, feel free to shoot me an email, or you can feel free to add me on social media and connect that way. Thank you.